हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
ततो वत्सान् अदृष्ट्वैत्य पुलिनेऽपि च वत्सपान् उभावपि वने कृष्णो विचिकाय समन्ततः क्वाप्यदृष्ट्वान्तर्विपिने वत्सान् पालांश विश्ववित् सर्वं विधिकृतं कृष्णः सहसावजगामः ततः कृष्णो मुदं कर्तुं तन्मातॄणां च कस्य च उभायायितमात्मानं चक्रे विश्वकृतीश्वरः यावद्वत्सपवत्सकाल्पकवपुः यावत्कराङ्ग्र्यादिकम् यावद्यष्टिविषाण वेणुदलशेक् यावद्विभूषाम्भरम् यावच्छीलगुणाभिधाकृतिवयो यावद्विहारादिकम् सर्वं विष्णुमयं गिरोऽङ्गवदजः सर्वस्वरूपो बभौ स्वयमात्मा आत्मगोवत्सान् प्रतिवार्यात्म वत्सपैः क्रीडन्नात्मविहारैष सर्वात्मा प्राविशद्व्रजम् तत्तद्वत्सान् पृथक् नीत्वा तत्तद्गोष्ठे निवेश्य सः तत्तदात्मा भवद्राजन् तत्तत्सद्य प्रविष्टवान् तन्मातरो वेणुरवत्वरोत्थिता उत्थाप्य दोर्भिः प्ररिरभ्य निर्भरम् स्नेहस्नुतस्तन्यपयःसुदासवम् मत्वा परं ब्रह्म सुतानपाययन् ततो नृपोर्मर्दनमज्जलेपना लङ्काररक्षातिलकाशनादिभिः संलालितस्वाचरितैः प्रहर्षयन् सायं गतो यामयमेन माधवः गावस्ततो गोष्ठमुपेत्य सत्वरम् हुङ्कारघोषैः परिहूस्तसङ्गतान् स्वकान् वत्सतरानपाययन् मुहुर्लिहन्त्यस्रवदौदसंपयः गोपीनां मातृतास्मिन् सर्वा स्नेहर्दिकां विना पुरोवदास्यपि हरेः तोकता मायया विना व्रजौकसां स्वतोकेषु स्नेहवल्ल्याब्धमन्वहं शनैर्निस्सीमववृदे यथा कृष्णे त्वपूर्ववत् आत्मानं वत्स आत्मानं वत्सपालमिषेण सह पालयन् वत्सपो वर्षं चिक्रीडे वनगोष्ठयोः एकदा चारयन् वत्सान् स रामो वनमाविशत् पञ्चशासु त्रियामासु हायानूपूरणीष्वजः ततो विदूराचरतो गावो वत्सानुपव्रजम् गोवर्धनाद्रिशिरसि चरन्त्यो ददृशुस्तृणम् दृष्ट्वा तत्स्नेहवशो स्मृतात्मा स गोव्रजोत्यात्मपदुर्गमार्गः द्विपात्वगुद्ग्रीव उदास्य पुच्छो अगाधुदङ्गकृतैराश्रुपयाजवेन समेत्य गावो अधो वत्सान् वत्सवत्योऽप्यपाययन् गिलन्त्य इव चाङ्गानि लिहन्त्य स्वौदसंपयः गोपाः तद्रोदनायास मोग्यलज्जोरुमन्युना दुर्गाद्वकृच्छ्रतोऽभ्येत्य गोवत्सैः ददृशुतान् तदीक्षणोत्प्रेम रसाप्लुताशया जातानुरागा गतमन्यवोर्बकान् उदह्य दोर्भिः परिरभ्य मूर्धनि घ्राणैरवापुः परमां मुदं ते.
So Krishna has gone searching. All the calves have disappeared. He's come back to the river. All the boys have disappeared. So for a second he thought, what is this? The calves are gone, the boys are gone. कहाँ गया ये लोग? Then immediately he decides, सर्वं विधिकृतं कृष्ण सहसावजगामः. सहसौ आजगामः. Sarvam Vidikritam. Vidhi is destiny, also a name for Brahma. So he has understood this is all done by Brahma. So he wants to give a blessing to Brahma also, no? Tato Tata Krishno Mudam Kartum He wants to make sure that Brahma is happy. All the mothers of the calves, that means the cows are happy, and mothers of the boys, that means all the gopis, they are happy. So, Vishwakriti, he has created the entire universe. Then what is this? The moment he starts talking about this, Shukabrahmam is getting lost in the fact that everything in the world that he sees, he only sees Krishna Swarupa. This Leela is reminding him of that. So he is immersing into that experience. Yavat vatsapavatsakalpabapuhu, yavat karangryadikam, yavat yashti vishana venudalashik, yavat vibhushambaram, यावत् शीलगुणाभिधाकृतिवयो यावद् विहारादिकं सर्वं विष्णुमयं गिरोऽङ्गवदजः सर्वस्वरूपो बभौ. Immediately, every calf that was missing, he became each one of those calves. The exact height, exact weight, exact everything, exact color, exact markings, exact shape of the ears, eyes, nose, everything. Yavat vatsapa vatsakalpa vapuhu. Some of them are very small. He has become that very small calf. Some of them are slightly bigger. He has become that bigger calf. Same thing with children. Some children are really small. Some children are little bigger. Some children are little bigger. He has become all of them. One child has more, some children have a sixth finger. Apparently, there was one of them like that. Karangre Adhikam. So he has made himself take the form of that boy with 6 fingers. Premi Anna would joke, when they go home, these children are very small, no? So the mothers are going to give them the bath. So if in some place that was not visible to everybody, there was a birthmark, and tomorrow if the mother is giving the bath, she will say, "Arey, idhar ek birthmark tha, wo kidhar gaya?" So he knows. Even the other people may not know, but Krishna knows. So wherever there was birthmarks, he did those birthmarks also. Yavat yashti vishana, yavat vibhusha ambaram. Whatever ornaments everyone was wearing, he made those exact same ornaments. Whatever clothes every person was wearing, he made those exact same clothes. Whatever shringi they were holding, he made those. Whatever vetra they were holding, he made those. Everything. And not only that, every person's swabhava, this calf is very frisky, it will run very much. So he made himself do that friskiness for that particular calf. This child is extremely intelligent, knows so many things, so he made himself mirror that particular intelligence. Every guna, every shila, everything, every habit. Oh, this person always scratches the back of his head with his left hand, then he made that guna. Sarvaswarupo bhabau. Sarvaswarupo bhabau. Sarvaswarupo bhabau. And Shukabrahma is saying, this is how the universe is. Every place you see, you will see Krishna Swarupa only. Even though outside there may be different calves, different colors, different shapes, different forms, different children wearing different clothes, wearing different ornaments, having different gunas, doesn't matter. Everything is Krishna Swarupam only. Sarva Swarupo Babau Swayam Atmatma Govatsane Swayam. He himself is there. He himself is the boys. He himself is bringing the cows back, and he himself is the calves that is actually being driven back home. Tattadvatsan pritang nitva. He is playing Kridan Atma Viharaischa. This is how the whole universe is running like this. It's all one Krishna Leela. Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara. All the people that you meet, the kind of conversations you have, the kind of songs they sing, everything. Sarva Swarupo Babau. Tanmatarau. Because he's getting so deep into this experience, he's using his handhold to come out and talk to this Parikshit. Rajan, Tattat Atma Bhavat Rajan, Tatvat Sadma Pravishtavan. He's in everything. He has brought the calves back, and because he's now all these boys know they're playing all their instruments, everything. The mothers have heard, oh, children are coming back. They are all rushing out. Tanmataro Venu Ravatvarotitha. Venu Rava. They have heard the flute music, so they have jumped out. And now they are embracing these children. Krishna is in everybody, but now Krishna has taken the form. So they find that their Vatsalya Baba has gone up so many times. Sneha Snuta Stanya Payas Sudhasavam. Sudhasavam. Their affection has now broken all bounds and it is flowing like a river of nectar. Every day from now onwards, Tato Nripa, he has to keep calling Rajan, Nripa, Parikshit, because he's getting so immersed in this thought that everything is Krishna Swarupa. Unmardana means oil bath. So mother is rubbing oil on the child. Majja, lepana, alankara, raksha tilaka divihi. So mothers are giving their children the bath next day, doing some alankara, giving them, like one dot on the side of their cheek to prevent the evil eye. Samlalita. Samlalita. Every home, all the mothers, all the fathers, all the cows, everything is now showing that much. It is normal. It is normal for parents to show affection towards their children. It is normal. But now, because Krishna has assumed the form of all these calves and all these children, somehow already there was Prema Pravaha in Vrindavanam. Now that Prema Pravaha has gone up so many levels. Go Gopina Matrutasmin Sarva Sneha Riddhikam Vina. Hare he tokata Mayaya. Itthamatmanatmanam Vatsaphala Mishena Saha Palayan Vatsapo Varsham. Itham Atmatmanatmanam. Krishna is there. He is also all these calves and he is also all these children. For how long? Varsham Chikride. 1 year has gone. He has been playing. All the calves, all the cows, normally after 1 year, they will have the next children. So when the new calf is born, they will stop feeding the older calf. By then, the older calf, is now grazing nicely and all that. So they will start giving the milk to the younger calves. But here, that is not happening. All the children, they are also enjoying some very high level of affection. All the calves are also enjoying this very high level of affection. Ekada Charayanne with Balarama. With Balarama. This man has come. He himself is all these calves and he himself is all these friends. This Leela is so secret. Nobody in Gokul, nobody in Vrindavanam knew, including Balarama. Balarama is Bhagavad Avataram only, but he did not know the secret of this Leela. Only 4-5 days are left for 1 year to be completed. Panchashasu Triyamasu. So, these calves are grazing a little bit far away on the side of the Govardhana mountain. The older gopas, right? The older cowherds are grazing the older cows and bulls. And because they already have new calves, they have taken those new calves. So that if the new calves need, the cows can give the new calves the milk. But the moment Krishna came with Balarama and all these boys and all these calves which are now more than a year old, all these cows which are on the side of the Govardhana mountain, they stopped listening to all the cow herds. Normally, the cow herds are experts at controlling the cows. They could not do any control because these cows have jumped and they are running towards the calves that are standing next to Krishna. Because Yavat Vatsapa Vatsapane. Therefore, they are running. How they are running? Normally, these cows move on 4 feet. Now they are running so fast that at a point of time, only at best 2 feet are touching the ground. That's how quickly they are rushing. Gopaha. The Gopas are trying to stop them. Arey, what is this? You have to graze and you have to feed the new calves. No, they are rushing. And the Gopas are feeling a bit ashamed. Maugya, Lajoru Manyuna. Maugya, because their efforts at stopping these cows have failed. And so they are feeling a bit ashamed and a bit angry. So they have rushed to come and tell these boys, Arey, why did you bring those calves here? You know, we are grazing the cows and we are going to feed the newborn calves. Why did you bring the older calves here? They are actually coming to say that. But the moment they came close and the moment they saw their children, it is their children only. But today they are not able to shout. Jata Anuraga. Somehow in their heart, one huge reservoir of affection is overflowing. Gatamanyavo Arbakane. They actually came rushing to chastise these boys, to shout at them for having brought the older calves here. But the moment they saw them, their heart was overflowing with happiness and all their anger disappeared. So they embraced their own child, placed them on their laps. Paramudam granai ravapuhu murdani. They are kissing the forehead of the child and they are feeling greatly happy. Paramamudam te. Parirabhya murdhani granaihi avapuhu paramam mudam tehi.